Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day. You know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest and up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. And you know our practice here, I'm going to share everything that you need to know from the product names, prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. So please make sure you stay until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm excited to share the new collection of LV. First, let us discuss the quote-unquote Monogram Firefly collection. So this one, guys, we have the clutch box, priced at 12,400 USD. So the material is butter soft leather. Of course, this, guys, the difference of the collection is it glows in the dark, as you have seen earlier. So this one would feature, of course, the detachable leather strap, and of course it has the trunk details on the clutch box. Next on the collection, so we have the coffret 8-month dress. So we have the SKU here for reference, so please check with your CAs and the website. So guys, from the Monogram Firefly, material is butter soft leather. Of course, it comes in the monogram detail, which is the glow in the dark, as you can see here. Then it would feature the 8-watch compartment, and the interior, it comes with a leather rolled top handle. So this is the interior, guys, as you can see, and it has the silver plaque on the interior as well. So next on the collection, we have the Courier Luzine 95. So that is, I believe, the size. So we have the SKU here of M15485 from the Monogram Firefly collection. So this is how it looks like if you are going to look at it in the dark. So definitely the monogram glows in the dark, like neon green colorway. So this is the interior, classic Louis Vuitton trunk interior. So the top part you could remove, and this is the stamping, or rather the silver plaque on the interior of the Luzine trunk. Next on the collection, guys, this is so beautiful. So we have the boom box clutch. So other term for radio is boom box. So price at 15,500 USD. So this is the interior, guys. We have the SKU here. Materials monogram coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come, of course, with lining, plus of course it comes with the palladium hardware Louis Vuitton trunk, and it is it comes with a detachable leather strap. So next on the collection, so we have the Louis boat trunk. So we have the SKU here for reference. So this one, guys, is made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims in microfiber lining. It comes, of course, with wood, and it comes with the 6 compartments. And the interior, as you can see, it comes with 2 watch cushions, and it has a hidden compartment on the lid of the boat trunk. So anyone would be purchasing this, please comment down below. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramirify. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright guys, so the next that we are going to discuss are the random Louis Vuitton collection for July. So we have the all-in size BB. We have the SKU here. So the material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is frost blue. So it comes of course with detachable leather pochette, detachable leather strap, and it would come with a lock and key set as well. So this is how it looks like when you're going to detach the leather strap. This is the side part of the all-in size BB. So next on the collection, so we have the Neverfull Inside Out, price at €2,200. We have the SKU here, M2A466, made of monogram canvas and leather, of course, with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is Dune and Rose. So this is the other, or the one side of the Neverfull, which is the monogram coated canvas. And of course, you could reverse it and use the rose colored leather. It comes with detachable leather pochette, which I so love. And of course, it would come with detachable leather strap. So you could wear this one as a top handle and as a crossbody bag. Then we have, for perfect for summer, we have the Express price at €3,700 or 4,600 USD. So guys, this is a fabric with the quote-unquote raffia effect, as you could see. So it's kind of deceiving. It's not raffia, but it is made of fabric. It would come with monogram canvas trim, as we could see here. So the strap is elongated, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. I'm not really sure, maybe it could also work as a crossbody. Then guys, how beautiful is this low-key hobo NM? So NM means new model. So price at €3,500. So made of calfskin leather. Guys, what does this hobo bag reminds you of? So honestly, when I've seen this one, it truly reminds me of the Loewe tote bag as well that could be folded. Don't you agree? So this bag also comes with the mini monogram pochette, as you have noticed. Then next on the collection, so we have the Capucine size mini, price at $10,700 USD. So this one, it's made of calfskin leather and it is embellished with sequins, beads, and silk gauze. Of course, it would come with the cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap, and this is the back part. So this has already launched July 10th. So if you're interested, please check with your CAs in the websites immediately. So as you can see, this is a closer view of the embellishment, which is so cute. Kind of reminds me of cotton candy. Looks really delicious in my eyes. And then we have the Capucine size mini, price at $7,060 USD. We have SKU here, M29951. Materials, the classic Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior. Colorway is minty. So it comes of course with detachable decorative chain strap. I think that is the best part on this Capucine's mini. As you can see, love the decorative chain. So next on the collection, guys, so if you're fancying a Nano Alma, we have the Alma Nano, but a card holder. So price at $950 or 1,240 USD. So a little bit expensive for a card holder, but it looks really cute. Of course, it is on the shape of the classic Alma. I feel that this is going to be perfect. So on your monogram Alma, maybe size PM or size MM, then you are going to attach this one as a bag charm. That would be so cute. So this is the chain strap that it comes with, because I believe that you could wear this one separately on its own. Then we have the Loki Hobo size PM, perfect for summer, price at €2,900 or 3,500 USD. So guys, it features the material of textile fabric, as you can see, with the stripe pattern. Kind of resembles, of course, the interior of a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So it would come with cowhide leather trims. Colorway of this one, a combination of beige, yellow, and white. So it would feature detachable mini pochette and adjustable leather strap, as we could see here. Next on the collection, guys, I would just like to share this one, the Louis Vuitton Cologne Woody Wagon. Guys, just prepare for the price at $11,700 USD. So it is a wagon made of cherry and mahogany wood. It would include, of course, the 6 perfumes in 100 ml size, which would include Pacific Chill, Afternoon Swim, Sun Song, California Dream, City of Stars, and On the Beach. But man, the price of $11,000, I would rather buy a Louis Vuitton trunk than fill it with anything that I would love. Then of course, guys, we have a brand new bag. We have the Nano Keepall. So guys, if I could be mistaken in this one, but I am guessing that this Nano Keepall, it would be the same size as a Nano Speedy. So this is from the men's version, but of course, this could be a unisex bag. Either of the sexes or gender could wear this one. Definitely love the size, colorway as well. Happy shopping! There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!